What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 citrus men's fragrances. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so by hitting that big red subscribe button down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All these little interactions, the comments, the subscriptions, the likes, it actually bumps me up more in the algorithm. And if you like seeing my content, then you surely want to see more of me as well. So my first pick is L'Odyssée pour Homme by Issey Miyake. This is a yuzu based fragrance, and that is a Japanese citrus fruit that smells like a cross between grapefruit and lemon. It is very sweet, but it is also very sour, so the sweetness isn't as strong as it might be in other citrus fragrances. This is citrus forward, it is woody, it is aromatic, and it's actually a pretty good performer as well as far as fresh scents go. It's versatile, and I believe, in my opinion, that this is a unisex scent as well. So if you aren't a male and you do like citrus fragrances, absolutely check this one out. It's about $60 here in Australia, depending on the size of the bottle, although I was lucky enough to get this from Priceline for $10 as a used tester bottle. Next up is one of the fragrances that I love talking about on this channel, and that is Silver Scent Pure. Not many people are wearing this, but as far as fresh scents go, this is one of the best performers in the entire lineup. It smells like fabric softener and lemon, and it lasts for 12 hours plus. Yeah, I really can't think of too many other fresh scents that last as long as this one, and it only comes in at about $35 Australian. This has been slept on for years, and it is absolutely essential in any man, woman, they, them's collection. Check this one out if you haven't already. It smells incredible. And lastly, Bulgari Man Black Cologne. This is a more amber forwards fragrance, but the opening has a really powerful lemony sort of note. And here is the bottle. All the Bulgari bottles look fantastic. Yeah, citrus, a bit of booze in it, amber, that's mainly what I get. This is a complex fragrance and it smells fantastic. If you're somebody that likes fragrances like Versace's Dylan Blue, Dior Sauvage, definitely check this one out. It's similar to those, but it's a little fresher than both of them. Highly recommended. A bottle may set you back $100 though, although I have seen it as far down as $70 depending on the retailer, or maybe just check out on eBay. Either way, it's well worth looking into, especially if you like long-lasting, fresh fragrances. Relatively short video today. If you've ever worn any of these fragrances before, let me know in the comments below, and if you've got any recommendations for fragrances I should check out on the channel, let me know that as well. Until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.